I snore like a freight train, and my nightly routine is I turn on my sound machine on high, I go to bed, and hopefully my husband will be able to sleep. I've tried everything known to man that you can buy to prevent my snoring. Haven't found anything, but I did buy this mouth tape that I saw on the TikTok shop and wasn't sure about it because, mouth tape over your mouth, I don't know. But I've used it for 3 nights in a row now, and my husband said he has not woken up to me snoring. So if you're looking for something like this, I would definitely recommend it.